About L'Oreal Brandstorm, I'll say one thing. This competition is very different from all other competitions. Here they say, just think. Think wild, go out of the box, be as creative as you possibly can. And that's one learning. When you don't have barriers, you just explore so many things that you automatically learn so much from the information you are always taking in. So that's one big thing that is a personal learning for me. And overall, as a competition, you get a lot of interaction with the industry leaders and the experts here sitting in office. So as a first year MBA student, I got a chance with my team to come down to the office every Thursday, Friday, sit with the head of the luxury department in India. He's a very senior man and he's spending his time evaluating my thoughts with me, which I think was again an experience that you can't explain. The smaller things that you take out of that conversation are going to stay with you as you work on the job. So that's the kind of experience you get out of this competition, which I don't think any other competition can offer.
Yeah, one more thing about Brandstorm, because it's unlike any other competition, it is almost 6 to 8 months long. So constantly you need to re-innovate, you need to be persistent, you need to come up with new ideas because every stage would demand something new. So that is one angle which is really, really important, and it was a great learning because any other competition you finish in like 2 or 3 months and that competition is done. But Brandstorm leads up to an 8-month journey. And the second part is just being innovative, as she said, in your ideas. Though you have to think wild, but at the same time there is that angle of practicality which has to be there. So you will be innovative but yet practical. So that achieving that thin line between practicality and innovation is the key to Brandstorm.
I think the biggest learning is from an educational perspective, it is the time that you understand that you have to understand the essence of the brand. You need to talk the language that the brand talks. You need to keep the consumer at the heart of the solution solving. And L'Oreal has always given us an opportunity to be very entrepreneurial and to think big. So that's what this competition also taught us, at least me, and how to think big at the same time to ensure that you are paying attention to the details is something that I still keep with myself.
I would say the main takeaway for me from Brandstorm was to have one big idea and make that the hero of your whole case. I think what we often tend to do is have a laundry list of ideas in such competitions, but L'Oreal Brandstorm really taught us that you need to make one idea the hero and then build all your strategy and everything that you do around it. So I think that's something that I still apply in my daily job as a marketer in L'Oreal.